Kasi pag nasa Manila ako, ibang Mona version yun. Mona version 2.0 pag nasa Manila talaga. Full of confidence. Tsaka, pag nasa Manila ako, parang iba talagang Mona nasa Cavite. Merong na-inspire na mga mothers. Last year, I joined the Mrs. Asia Pacific. I got the Mrs. Asia Queen Ambassador last year. This competition, it's a very big challenge for me na talagang show who Mona is. More on training, more on sa Q&A, and the pasarela mo. And also, so be yourself. Yun ang pinaka-importante kasi.
And ayun, one last one.
Napaka-importante talaga na kapag sa BPB is masipag talaga siya. Masipag siya mag-train. Lahat, alam siguro lahat stiletto. So mahirap talaga siya. Kung masipag ang model, kaya niya tiisin yung...
Andyan lucky sa'yo.
Sa lahat ng mga Mona's fans dyan, hello! May fans club na bauta. Thank you. Please invite to watch the Miss Universe International this coming October 1 to 8. Sa October 4, Queen Balls at Manila Hotel, and October 8 sa Newport Resort Port, Pasay, Manila.
Sige po. Okay. Last question na po ito.
First, I believe that I have a very big heart. If you have a big heart, you're able to empower others. Repeat niya sa ulit.
You're the host there, Jay. So, how do you plan to welcome them? Paano mo sila i-welcome? Tapos, at the same time, you're competing with them.
During sa October 1, sa arrival at Line Hotel, so we meet each other, make a friendly place, and then also that we have a Thanksgiving to them, 100 delegates.
So, you're being friendly while competing also for the title. And good luck po. Good luck, Ma'am Mona. And to all the team,